everyone, I am Teacher Nikki. Today we are going to learn how to use Zoom on your computer. First, let's go to the internet. You should have gotten an email from your teacher. Usually your teacher sends you an email so you can use Zoom. So let's go to our email. Okay, and here Nikki Flotner has a Zoom meeting. Do you see the blue? Click the blue. The blue will take you to the meeting. Now here, this is the Zoom website. The website is loading. You will see this. You might have something come up that says OK. Click OK when you see this. If your internet is not good, like me, my internet is not good, you can go here, download and run Zoom. That's what I'm going to do. You see this save file? Yes, save file. Okay, and it downloads. Up here on my computer, I can go here and find the file. For you, your file might show up on your computer. You might see your file. For me, I have to click my file. So open file, yes. So now it is downloading Zoom for me. I will have Zoom on my computer. Okay, so now you can enter your name. What is your name? My name is Teacher Nikki. And here, remember my name? This means next time, next week, next month, tomorrow. This will be your name. If no, I want to change my name tomorrow, then don't click it. But yes, this is my name. I want this name. Now, join meeting. Yes. Hello. So we want to join with video. Okay, so join with video. Now we have to wait for the teacher to let us in. You see here the blue, join with computer audio? Yes, join with computer audio, yes. So here, this is the teacher. This is me. Okay? So down here, this is the mute button. If I don't want anyone to hear me, I click mute, so no one can hear me. See, it says you are muted. People can't hear you. If yes, I want people to hear me, unmute. This here, we can select a microphone and a speaker. Usually you want this microphone array, speaker and headphone. If it is not working, try same as system. Maybe this will help. But for me and my computer, I want these. Okay. I can also leave my computer audio. This means people can't hear me and I can't hear them. If you see this when you are on Zoom and you want to hear people, you want to speak, then touch here, click it, and join with computer audio. Now you can hear people. Now you can speak to them. Here, this is video. If I touch the video, if I click it, oh, you can't see me anymore. So if it's red, you can't see me. If I click it again, oh, you can see me again. And here are some other settings. We won't worry about that. For now, this is good. Participants. This is who is in the meeting. So there's Teacher Nikki and Nikki. And here I can mute myself. Remember, they can't hear me. I can mute. See this symbol? Oh, see this symbol? It means people can't hear me. But video is white, so people can see me. Unmute. See, it's white. Now people can see and hear me. Also, sometimes the teacher might ask a question and you want to answer. You can raise your hand. See? I have an answer. And when you are finished, lower hand. Okay. And you can go here. This means close. I am finished. Good. Chat. Here you can talk to your teacher. I can say, hello, hello teacher, hello. And then the teacher can write back. This here, to everyone, this means everyone can see me. Everyone can see what I wrote. Everyone can see this. Now we close. Okay. Here in reactions, I can say good job, thank you, and good job. So see, I gave a thumbs up. Up here, gallery view, now I can see everyone, or many, many people. I can see myself and the teacher. If I go to speaker view, I only see one person. If I put Zoom down, if I minimize it, you will see here, Zoom is still working. It's still going. If I want to open Zoom again, I can touch this button. See? And I am back here. Okay, good job. So now we will leave the meeting. Goodbye, Teacher Nikki. Leave meeting. Okay, now if I go back to email, see, here's the email, and I join Google, or I join Zoom, I can say here, open link. Okay, and now we join with computer audio. And now we have joined the meeting. All right. Good job, everyone.